Welcome to the Daily English Podcast, where we make learning fun and engaging.
Hello, beautiful learners. Welcome back to the Daily English Podcast. I am Emily.
And I am Paul. Hello, everyone. Emily, today I am feeling very determined.
Determined. That is a strong word, Paul. Why are you determined?
Because I realized something. I study English once a week, but I want to speak English every day.
That is the secret, Paul. Many students ask me, Emily, how can I learn fast? The answer is not study harder. The answer is build habits.
Habits, like brushing my teeth?
Exactly. You don't think about brushing your teeth, you just do it. English should be the same. Today, we are going to share 10 daily habits that will change your English life.
10 habits? That sounds like a lot of work.
It is not work, Paul. It is lifestyle. We are going to fit these habits into the day you already have, from the moment you wake up to the moment you sleep.
So, no extra time?
Zero extra time, just smarter time.
I like the sound of that. But before we start the countdown, we have a small favor to ask. Friends, if you want to speak English with confidence this year, please click the like button. It helps our family grow.
And please subscribe. We make these lessons for you every week. If you subscribe, you won't miss our new conversations.
Thank you so much. Now, Emily, let's start the list.
Habit number 1 starts the second your alarm goes off.
The morning. I usually just groan and hit snooze.
Most people do. They wake up thinking about stress, but habit 1 is the morning English affirmation.
What is an affirmation?
It is a positive sentence you say out loud to program your brain. Before you check your phone, before you speak your native language, say one sentence in English.
Like, I like coffee?
That is true, but something more powerful. Try this. Today is a beautiful day to learn.
Today is a beautiful day to learn.
Or, I am getting better every day.
I like that one. It makes me feel confident.
Exactly. It switches your brain into English mode immediately. You're telling your brain English is important today.
Okay, so tomorrow morning, 7 a.m., I open my eyes, I don't look at Instagram. I say, I am a champion of English.
Perfect. Listeners, let's practice your morning affirmation right now. Repeat after me.
Okay, I have said my affirmation. Now I am walking to the bathroom.
This brings us to habit number 2. Turn dead time into listening time.
What is dead time?
Dead time is when your hands are busy, but your brain is free. Brushing your teeth, washing your face, taking a shower.
Usually I just look in the mirror and think about nothing.
Don't waste those 15 minutes. Put your phone on the counter and play a podcast.
But the shower's noisy.
Then get a Bluetooth speaker, or just listen while you shave. Even if you only understand 50%, your brain is getting used to the rhythm of English.
So I am brushing my teeth and I am listening to Mr. English podcast.
Exactly. It is immersion. You are surrounding yourself with the language.
I can do that. It's easy. I don't need to write anything down. Just listen.
Correct. It's passive listening. It warms up your ears for the day.
Now I'm clean. I go to the kitchen to make coffee.
This is my favorite habit. Habit number 3. Be the narrator.
A narrator, like in a movie? Paul walked into the kitchen.
Yes. Describe what you are doing right now, but say it out loud.
Okay, let me try. Acting. I am opening the fridge. I am taking out the milk. I am pouring the milk.
Perfect. You are connecting the action to the word.
This is great for learning verbs. Pouring, opening, closing.
And you can do it while getting dressed, too.
I am putting on my socks. I am buttoning my shirt.
People might think you are a little crazy if they hear you.
I don't care. I want to be fluent.
That's the spirit. Listeners, look around you right now. Describe one thing you are doing.
Okay, I have my coffee. I'm leaving the house. I am on the bus to work.
Habit number 4 is for your commute. It is called shadowing.
Shadowing, like a shadow following a person?
Yes, you listen to a native speaker audio and you repeat exactly what they say while they are speaking.
That sounds difficult.
It is challenging, but it is the best way to improve your accent. You copy the speed, the emotion, and the melody.
So if the audio says, "Hey, how are you?" I don't just say the words, I have to say it like them.
Exactly. If they are angry, you sound angry. If they are happy, you sound happy.
I can do this in my car, but on the bus, maybe I will whisper.
Whispering is fine. The muscle memory of your mouth is what matters.
Okay, let's try a mini shadowing session. I'll be the audio, you shadow me.
Emily, speaking fast, I can't believe it's already Monday.
Paul, I can't believe it's already Monday.
Good. You matched my speed. This is how you stop sounding like a robot and start sounding like a native.
I am at the office now. I am sitting at my desk.
Habit number 5 is for your environment. Label your world.
Labels, like sticky notes.
Yes, take a pad of sticky notes, write the English word for objects on your desk, stick them on the object.
So on my computer screen, I put a note that says monitor.
Yes, on your stapler, stapler. On your drawer, drawer.
My boss is going to think I forgot the names of things.
Tell your boss you are optimizing your linguistic skills.
Why does this help? I know what a pen is.
It helps because you see the word 100 times a day. It forces your brain to visualize the English word first before your native language word.
Visual association. Okay, I will label 5 things today.
It is 1 p.m., lunchtime.
I am eating my sandwich.
Habit number 6 is a mental habit. Think, don't translate.
This is the hardest one, Emily. When I want to say something, I think in my language first, then I translate it to English.
That is normal for beginners, but to become advanced, you must skip the translation step.
How?
Start small. When you look at your lunch, don't think the word in your language. Think sandwich, delicious, hungry.
Simple words, direct thoughts.
Yes, if you see a red car, don't think your native language red car to red car. Just look and think red car.
It's like a game. I have to couch myself translating and stop.
Exactly. If you don't know the word, don't worry. Just think around it. But try to keep your internal voice in English for 5 minutes during lunch.
5 minutes of English thinking. I accept the challenge. The workday is over. I am home. I am tired.
I know you are tired, but habit number 7 takes only 2 minutes. The 3-sentence journal.
I am not a writer, Emily. I don't want to write a book.
Not a book. Just 3 sentences about your day.
That's it?
That's it. But you must do it every day. Sentence 1, what did you do? Sentence 2, how did you feel? Sentence 3, what will you do tomorrow?
Okay, let me try for today. I went to work and had a long meeting. I felt tired but productive. Tomorrow, I will go to the gym.
Perfect. You practiced past tense, adjectives, and future tense, all in 30 seconds.
If I do that every day, in 1 year, I will have written over 1,000 sentences.
Exactly. Small drops of water make an ocean. Keep a notebook by your bed.
Okay, dinner is finished. Now I am relaxing on the sofa with my phone.
Habit number 8, change your digital environment.
You mean my phone settings?
Yes, change your phone language to English.
Oh wow, that is scary. What if I delete something by accident?
You know where the buttons are, Paul. You know the icons. But now, instead of settings, you see settings. Instead of like, you see like.
Okay, and what about social media?
Follow 5 English accounts. Cooking, sports, comedy, whatever you like, but in English.
So when I am doom scrolling, I'm actually learning?
Yes, if you love football, follow the Premier League. Read the captions, read the comments.
That makes learning fun, not boring. I love reading comments. People are so funny on the internet.
Use your addiction to help you learn.
It is getting late. I am washing the dishes.
Habit number 9, the evening review.
Is this different from the journal?
Yes, the journal is writing, the review is speaking. Talk to yourself or your dog about your day.
Hey, Buster, today was crazy. I drank too much coffee.
Yes, use the past tense. This is the best time to practice irregular verbs. I went, I saw, I ate.
It's like telling a story to myself.
It helps you process your memories in English. If you couldn't say a word during the day, look it up now.
Okay, I argued with my friend. I didn't know the word argued earlier, but now I do. Finally, I am in bed. Lights out.
Habit number 10, end with English.
But I am sleepy.
Don't study grammar books. Just read one page of an easy book or listen to a slow English story.
A bedtime story?
Yes, it relaxes your brain, and the last thing you think about before you sleep stays in your memory.
So if I fall asleep listening to English, my brain is happy?
Your brain is very happy, and you will dream in English.
Wow. Emily, we did it. 10 habits. Morning affirmation. Bathroom listening. The narrator. Shadowing. Labeling. Thinking in English. 3-sentence journal. Digital immersion. Evening review. Bedtime story.
It sounds like a lot, but they all fit into your normal day.
I'm going to try 3 of them starting tomorrow.
That is a great start. Friends, tell us in the comments, which habit will you try first?
Are you going to be a narrator or a shadow? Let us know.
Thank you for listening to this motivation session. You have the power to change your English.
Just take it one day at a time. Good luck, everyone.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye.